Right, hello, welcome back to the channel. First off, you'll have to excuse my face and my illness. I've got a serious case of the old man flu, but I've ordered some of the extra bits that we need for the double din. So I have the aerial adapter from Connect 2, eBay special, I think it was £3, and then we've also got the plastic double din. I'm hoping it's just going to be a nice simple fit and job's a good one. And then tomorrow we're off to pick up something a little bit bigger. So we'll go through trying to fit this just in case anyone else is trying to do it. And then go from there. Right, so just a quick recap of the previous situation. Obviously we put the stereo in, but we just had to wedge a bit of card in because we didn't have the proper kit to fit it. So I'll have to quickly just pop this out, see what the plastic kit's like, stick the aerial on, and then hopefully we can just slot it back in. But like I said in the previous video, big shout out to ESPTR, Culture Shock Car Show. I'll be there, hopefully you will be too. So yeah, let's get this done. Right, it does look like the surrounding everything's going to fit perfect. I just haven't pushed it all the way in because the screws that I got to put in the sides aren't quite big enough. So I don't want to clip it in place because it'll still move around. So I'm just going to pop inside and see if I've got any fatter screws. Oh, in fact, I've just found some in the kit. Ideal. So we'll pop these screws in the sides and then it should just squeeze back in. Right, so that's it in. To be fair, for a tenner it fits quite nice. I have pushed it a little bit too far back. So it has gone in a little bit at the bottom, so it's not quite flush, but the top is flush, and to be honest, for the price of it, absolutely can't complain. I do have to take this back out eventually to fit the cables in the back for my reverse camera and the sub, which I'll do at the same time, and then I'll try and get this to sit completely flush. But for now, absolute dream job.
Several months later.
Hello and welcome back to another little video. The first half of this video was filmed approximately 2 months ago or something. Nothing's really happened since then, to be honest. I've bought some wheels, but they do need refurbing, and I'm going to wait until I have the coilovers before I put them all in together. There will be some episodes on me refurbing the wheels, but that'll be coming soon-ish. I'm going on holiday and got other life stuff going on, so it might be a while. But as I said in the very first episodes, this isn't sponsored or anything. It's all my own money, so it is going to be a little bit slow. However, today what we're going to do is wrap the interior door handles. I haven't made a video of me taking them off because it's pretty self-explanatory. Little flathead screwdriver and the pop off. I'm doing this just because I wanted to spruce them up a little bit. They're a little bit tight. I know a few people paint them black. I'm going to go with the carbon fibre style wrap. It's not the matte wrap. I think the matte wrap looks cheap and shit. Hopefully it'll turn out alright. Never wrapped anything before in my life. So we'll just give it a go and see what happens. Big thanks to Kimberly for lending me a hairdryer, even though she doesn't know yet, but she probably will if she watches this video. Right, so here's a quick look at the tools I'm going to use for the job. Lovely Tresemme hairdryer. Obviously you've got a heat gun, probably should use heat gun. Some scissors, and I'm just going to absolutely wing it. I'll do a little time lapse, so imagine it's going to take me a while, and then we'll just see how it turns out, and then we can go from there. So I think it turned out quite good considering. These bits at the top are pretty difficult. But it's almost flush, don't know if you can quite see. Just concerned to see what it's like when it's cooled back down. See how it fits. Not too concerned. I knew it wasn't going to be absolutely perfect. This is one from the rear as well. So we'll give it 10 minutes or so to cool down, try and trim off some more excess, and then I'll just stick it on and see what it looks like, to be honest. And then I've got 3 more to do. I won't video them all, I'll just show you what this one looks like once it's on. Right, so that's it fitted. As you can see, there is minor bubbles there, but at least I know for the next one to try and get them on the underside so you can't see them. But I think it looks spot on. Shame about the back bit because that's not quite black, but I think I'm gonna get some leather door cards to replace these ones anyway, so it might look a bit better with them, and I'll maybe just give these back bits a bit of a spray or something black beforehand. But yeah. Right, so that concludes that video. Like I say, hopefully the next video will either be wheel refurb, coilover fitting, or it might be fitting my sub, depending on whether or not I get an amp. But like I say, that'll be another few weeks yet. Anyway, a lot more coming. If you do want to subscribe, that would be spot on. And like I say, we'll plod on with a budget build.